Hello everyone, I'm Farel Imran and today I'm going to make a very simple project which is called calculator. So I'll be making a simple calculator in Python. So it's a Python project or it's a simple exercise for you guys so I'll be showing you how to make this, and this is without GUI means it's not with GUI. It's without GUI means it's without graphical user interface. So it's a simple and amazing Python project. So let's get started. So as you see, I'm making a simple calculator. So of course there would be four operations that will be happening in the calculator function, which is the addition, multiplication, division and subtraction. So all for these I'll start making a function and I'll start doing it, and I'll be showing you guys how to do this project. It will be like, I hope so it will be helpful for you. Now let's see. Okay, now I'll be making some functions. First def add, then I'll be adding like two numbers, m comma n, and then colon. After that I'll say return m plus n. Okay, so this is the function for addition, means it will return that whatever two values of m and n that you get, that would be added and it will return. Now def, this is for for making functions. So sub for subtract, then again I'll be taking the two values m and n, then colon, then return m minus n. Okay, now this is for subtraction. After that, for multiplication I'll add mul, def mul for multiplication, then parentheses m comma n, and then after that colon, return m star n. Okay, now for the division I'll write the def, then div for the division, then m comma n, after that colon, so I'll return m bar, m this bar for division and n. Okay, now I made this function. After that, what I'll be doing, I'll be first of all printing. What I'll print, like choose an option. So I can add double quotes or single quotes, it depends on you. So I'm adding double quotes. So choose an option from the list below, from the list below. Okay, then after that I'll just add this print statement. Just copy paste. Okay, and then after that I'll again paste. Okay, so here I'll be writing choose a for addition, choose a or capital A for addition. Okay, I'll do the same for the subtraction. Command V. So I'll just say S, the small s and the capital S for subtraction. Subtraction. and then I'll print this again. Just copy and then paste it. So M or capital M for multiplication. Like you can choose like any one of these options. Like you can ask the user for it for multi multiplication. Okay, and then I'll again write print D, small d or capital D for division. Okay, here I'm writing it division. Now I wrote this. After that I'll take the input from the user, but before that we have to make sure that or if these operations are like chosen from any of these options are chosen, then only we'll move forward to the next thing. Otherwise no, otherwise it should give an error. So we'll make a loop that while true, because we know that this thing that the loop is true, so it will start. Okay, now I'll go for if condition, because I've already told you about for loops, while loops, if statements, and all these stuff, and even functions. Okay, now while loop, while true, what we'll do, we'll make an if function. If we can make an if function, or we can take the input. First we'll take the input, that input equal to, or we can just say that answer equal to input, and then we'll write that enter your answer. Okay, we'll write this, or it depends on you what you want. Okay, now I'm making the loop as true. I'm making the loop. Okay, I'll add an if statement, that if answer in just add the things that whether it's A, comma, capital A, comma, S, comma, capital S, comma, D, comma, capital D, and then comma after that, and then the M. Okay. Okay. After that we add the colon. Okay. Then we'll go forward. Example, if we say break, we're just having this option that it will break. Okay, let me run and see if it's working. Okay, run. Okay, now enter your answer. Write G. Nothing is happening. Yep, it's going forward. Control C. So, okay, if we stop it, yep, it's keyboard interrupt. Okay, and let me check if I'm adding like the, yep, it has been finished. It break. Okay. So it's working. So then after that we'll forward it. After that we'll make another if statement in it. First of all, let's make the else one. Okay. Else, if it's not in this one, then we'll print, write invalid option, invalid option, and then after that we'll break, so that to get out of the loop, and that's it. Just say break. After that we'll see how to make it better. Okay, now if I'm adding, okay, so okay, we need to write something. Print. Okay, I'm just saying in order to avoid the error, I'm just writing this. Okay, now enter your answer. If I'm writing G, invalid option, and it's breaking. Okay. And if we go for the continue option, what will happen? That will it reset or no? Continue. It's like going, keep on going. But we should terminate. Okay, so it's going into an infinite loop. So I think we should do this. I have an idea. Let's do this. If I continue, what will happen? It will keep on going, or will it go to the answer? Let's see. Command X, Command V. Enter your answer. H. Yep, now it's working. So before it was going to the invalid loop. For example, if you write the invalid option, or we can even make it better that do you want to restart again, or do you want to choose the option again? We can do that also. If you want to make it better. Okay, here now we'll make another if statement. If answer equal to A, here we'll use or, the Boolean operations, or answer equal to capital A, means either these two. So colon, then after that we'll go to the add function. Print, we'll take input first instead of printing. We'll just take input. Let's say A is equal to input, and then it should be integer also, in order to avoid it as something else. So enter the first number, okay, we'll add this. Can you add colon inside it? Okay, now after that B equal to integer, then input that enter the second number. We'll add this. Okay, then colon, that space, so that there's some space between the number you are entering and this. Okay, then after that, what we'll do, we'll add this a and b in the add thing. Okay, now what we'll do, print, because here we won't be, there's a return, so there will be some value, so you have to print it because there's no print function in the functions. If you see in the add function, the sub, mul and div, there's no print, so there's return. So here you will have to write print. So print the answer for the answer is then we can go for like this. After that, there's concatenation between this thing, plus add it. We can use the add thing for concatenation. The answer is but the thing is they're integers, so there won't be any concatenation. Let's add then we'll write a comma b. Let's see if it's working or not. Okay, now enter your answer. I'll be making it at a till now. A, enter your first number 5, 8. Okay, so here we can, yep, I knew there would be an error because here it says that it concatenates string, not. Then we have to do this thing. I think the comma would work. Let's see. 6, 5. Yep, it's working. So here you add just the comma. You don't then concatenate. Okay, after that, then what you do, it's going to another loop, like you can ask again and again. We'll just terminate that. In that also we can make an if thing, that you can ask the input. After printing it, we can ask the input that do you want to continue, and if it's yes, then it can continue, otherwise it can go to, otherwise it can break. We can make this thing also. Now we'll do it for subtraction, multiplication and division. The same thing we'll do. I'll just copy paste it. Okay. Okay, now. Oh, no. Here there was for addition, now subtraction. So S and capital S. Okay, the answer is here it would be sub. Okay, now it's M, mul, small m, here capital M. Yeah, mul. Okay, now for div, it's small d and capital D, and we'll just write here div. Okay, I'll add, I think, another if function. Okay, here I'll make this elif, not if. I'll tell you the reason why. See, if you write multiple ifs, so multiple ifs, what happen? First, it will go to this checking. After checking it, then it will go to this checking. Then it will go to this checking, means it will keep on checking the if thing. It will keep on checking. But elif, what will do, for example, if this is incorrect, means this is not the option that you're choosing, then it will go to this one. If this is correct, then it will just choose this one. It will not go to other. The thing is that in elif this happens. So here this thing happens. So now I don't need to write else. Why? Because see, I've already checked up that if these are the options, then only I will go inside it. So now, okay, now let me tell you one more thing. Okay, now I've done this. Okay, I'll make another if inside it, like to check it, that if this thing happens, means I'll go for the input, that s is equal to input, then I'll ask, do you want to continue or not? Here I'll ask this. Or you can say type by or small y to or we can print this. When I do, first we'll print this. Print do you want to continue or not? And then there'll be an input. There'll be an input. Oh. Okay, here there'll be an input that, okay, I'll be printing this and then I'll be like making that input type y or here I'll be adding this type capital Y or small y for yes and n or small n for no. Now here I said, okay, now here then I'll be adding the if, that if s in, I'll just make this some other character like k, because there's no k. Okay, now if k in I'll just say k equal to y or k equal to capital Y. Then after that we'll add a colon. That will just, it will continue. Then after that there would be an elif k equal to, let's say, it will say there is thing called continue 1. Continue 1. We can add this thing here. We can add it also in the invalid option thing also. Continue 1. Continue 1. Or continue 1 equal to capital N, then okay, after that you add the colon, then you'll just say break. Okay, let's check if it's working or not. Let me check for the same thing. I'll be adding that. Do you want to continue or not? Same thing, I'll be adding this here also. Click on run. Okay, I'll add my answer as A, then to the first number 6, then 9. Okay, the answer is 50. Do you want to continue or not? If I say Y, yes, then again it will say enter your answer. I'll enter my answer as D. Okay, 9, 3. The answer is 3.0. Enter your answer. Okay, this thing is happening. So let me add this here, and then here, and then yeah, I've added it everywhere. Now the calculator has been made. Okay, so what should I do? Should I add the, we can put this, I think I'll put it here, command X, and then here. Okay, I'll add it in the loop. Okay, let's check here. Choose an option to your answer. J. Okay. Invalid option. Do you want to continue or not? No, this one is not correct here. I think I should go for that choose from the list above, and then again the list should be shown. I think I should add this. I should print that choose from the list above. I'll just add this choose from the list. Choose from the list. Okay. Then after that I'll just add continue. Okay. If I say like K, yeah, invalid option, choose from the list. Yep, this is correct. If I say S, enter first number 8, 12. Yep, the answer is minus 4. Okay, now type Y for yes or N for no. It's not asking whether I should continue or not. I didn't add this. I should add it. That, yep, this print. That do you want to continue or not? Yep, this thing. I'll add it here. Yep. Finally, the calculator has been made, and now we can check our options. If I say N, yep, it's finished. Okay, again. Okay, if I say M, choose the first number. 8, 5, 6, 7, 4. Okay, now do you want to continue or not? No, that's it, it's finished. Now finally the calculator has been made and you can have a look at it. Now here I've added the if statements, I've added the loops, I've added the functions, and then the print statements also. I've even added the in function also. After that I added the boolean logic of or, that whether any of these options are correct then it will continue, otherwise it will break. So that is all from my side. Thank you so much. I hope so you have understood the